Hai, Assalamualaikum. Saya Nur Edit Lena binti Anwar, nombor metrik AP190277. Okay, so today we focus on landslide. So I'm gonna share with you guys about landslide of Bukit Antarabangsa 2008. Landslide are one of the major geohazards occurring frequently in Malaysia. They are responsible for both compensatory and non-compensatory losses. Besides damaging infrastructure, they cause loss of life, environmental degradation, and interrupt the economic activity. In Bukit Antarabangsa in 2008, a landslide damaged the settlements and result in casualties. Altogether, this landslide caused 5 casualties, buried 14 bungalows, and forced approximately 2,000 residents to evacuate their homes. Malaysia is a tropical country. Landslides have been a basic problem in highly areas during the monsoon seasons. Location of landslide area is Bukit Antarabangsa. Bukit Antarabangsa is hillside township situated in Ulu Klang, Selangor. It is geographically located at 3 degrees 12 00 north latitude and 101 degree 46 01 east. Due to its close proximity to Kuala Lumpur, there has been a rapid increase in infrastructure development and construction projects in this area. Land type vary from the flat terrain of peat swamp forest, grassland, as mine site, and scrub areas to a very hilly area of natural forest 420 meters above sea level. The factor how this incident can happen. First, soil creep due non-engineered fill on the slope develop tension cracks over the area. Second is the soil creep over the year may have damaged the active water pipe along to donut house and leaks the pipe. The leaks contribute to continuous soil saturated at the lower slope, and this in turn accelerate creep. Prolonged rainfall during the month of October and November result in soil saturation, rise in groundwater table, and increase the rate of creep. Last is an increased soil creep further damage the drainage facilities and widen the existing crack and not open up new tension crack. Soil condition. The soil consists of 45% sand, 37.5 clay, and 17.5 silt. Based on the given texture, the soil type is clay loams. So here the properties of soil at Bukit Antarabangsa. So we have based on the table given, we can see they show the soil characteristic, soil texture, shear strength parameter. The slope was underlined by 3 layers, namely silt, sandy gravel, and granite. The properties of the soil are listed in the table. The groundwater table was detected about 15 meters from ground level and decreased and 1.5 meter at the top during dry condition. So here the layer. Here the first layer is silt, second layer sandy gravel, and third layer is granite. The cross-section show was obtained using terrestrial laser scanning (TLS) and light detection rigging method. The ratio of the failure deep approximately 50 meter, and the slope length 120 meter was found to be greater than 0.1, and the failure can thus be classified as deep seat. Such a failure is usually governed by groundwater or high pure water pressure within the slope. So here the slope is, if you can see here, where the original and where the failure can be happens. So the recommendation to prevent reoccurrence of similar landslide in the future is: first, undertake detailed inspection and assessment of slope with sign or distress. Areas with prolonged soil creep must be inspected regularly, and preventive work must be immediately undertaken. Then, all the water saver utilities on slope should be inspected periodically for leakage and damage. Repair and upgrade damaged and underside drains within the vicinity of Bukit Antarabangsa. Install subsoil drains at areas where water seepage and high ground water table are located. Identify area with similar non-compacted field or dumped ground. Undertake instrumentation monitoring as an early warning system at high areas. All water pipe adjacent to slope shall be exposed. And the last is ensure all hillside developments strictly follow the development guidelines of the local authorities. So we go to the conclusion is the Bukit Antarabangsa landslide of 6 December 2008 occurred as sequence of the bursting of an active water pipe, which increased the pure water pressure of the soil and eventually reduced the ability of the slope to sustain and surcharge load. In this study, FTA revealed that the main cause of the pipe burst that triggered the landslide were human-based. According to the analysis, the major fault leading to pipe burst were high acidity levels in the water, improper design, and temporary exogenous load, all of which were related to human error. Further, maintenance issues including improper land use were noted. Therefore, the study concludes that the cause of the Bukit Antarabangsa 2008 landslide were mainly human.
Sekian, wabillahi taufiq wa hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.